Hey there, game lovers. Today I am really excited to introduce to you the new arrival 16-bit SEGA MD2 video game console. This amazing console allows you to play your favorite SEGA game cartridges with its US and Japan conversion switch, making it compatible for SEGA game cards. Not only that, it comes with high-quality original 16-bit handles, giving you the perfect gaming experience. But wait, there's more. This console also includes 4 region switches: NTSC, PE New Jersey and PAL Mega Drive, allowing you to play your games in different regions. And the best part? This console can play Mega Drive V1, V2, V3 flash game cartridges, giving you access to a wide range of classic games. If you're a fan of classic SEGA games, then this console is a must-have for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to relive your favorite gaming memories and create new ones with this incredible console. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and get your hands on the new arrival 16-bit SEGA MD2 video game console now. Trust me, you won't regret it. Let's make some gaming magic happen together. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome game reviews and recommendations. Happy gaming, everyone.